Okay, let's unpack this. Today we're diving deep into the code editor wars, looking at VS Code versus the new kid, Z AI.
Right, the OG versus the challenger.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And for anyone building software now, picking an editor isn't just, about text. It's really about how you want to build things.
Yeah, and what's interesting from the sources is how this really highlights a core difference in, like, philosophy, flexibility or raw speed.
Mm.
And understanding that, for you listening, helps figure out which tool fits best, especially with AI becoming so central.
Okay, so let's start with Z AI. The big thing is speed,
Yeah.
like crazy speed,
Yeah, they say it opens instantly, blink, and it's up.
which comes from how it's built, right? Native code, maybe Rust. They learn from Atom, ditching the slow parts.
Exactly. It's a fundamental break from Electron, which powers, well, so many other editors, including VS Code.
And that native build helps with the AI stuff too.
Yeah, absolutely. The AI integration feels seamless because it's baked in, not just an add-on.
Right.
So hooking up to things like GPT, Claude, or even local models is pretty smooth.
Okay, but I got to ask. Yeah. Does that instant opening speed really matter if you keep your editor open all day anyway, like a lot of devs do?
That's a fair point. Maybe not the opening part itself, but the underlying efficiency. That affects everything else.
Ah, okay. Less resource hogging for other things,
Yeah.
like AI processing in real time.
Precisely. But okay, if ZAI is the speed demon, the minimalist,
And VS Code is the reliable veteran, the big
the
one.
standard, yeah, open source, free, super configurable, that's its massive advantage.
And it have great built-in stuff too. IntelliSense, the debugger, Git.
Definitely. And that ecosystem is just huge. It runs on Electron, which means it's everywhere, and there's an extension for practically anything you can think of.
Coding, design help, project management, you name it.
But that's also where the problem creeps in, isn't it?
Yeah, that flexibility tax, we've all felt it. You add a few extensions, and suddenly opening a big project feels, sluggish.
Exactly. The customization is its strength and its weakness. Loading all that stuff running on Electron, it just eats memory compared to something native like ZAI. Big projects can really bog down.
So ZIA has speed and native AI. What else? I saw something pretty wild about collaboration.
Oh, yeah, that's a big one. Real-time editing. Not just 2 people, but like up to 30 people in the same file.
30. Wow. Okay, so it's built for team coding from the start, plus that clean interface people
It
mentioned.
looks very uncluttered, yeah. But that kind of leads to the main drawback, right?
That's catch.
The catch, it's new, so it just doesn't have the sheer number of plugins and the polish that VS Code has built up over years.
Right. If you rely on some obscure extension for your workflow.
You might be stuck with VS Code for now, though ZAI is apparently improving fast.
Okay, so let's bottom line this for you listening. ZAI, the racing bike. Super fast, AI native, built for collaboration.
Sleek, maybe missing a few bells and whistles for now.
And VS Code, the reliable, customizable SUV. Does everything. Huge ecosystem, handles any job.
But can feel a bit heavy or bulky, especially when loaded up.
So the choice really boils down to what you prioritize most. Is it that raw speed and integrated AI? Or is it the massive customization and existing toolchain support?
Exactly. And it makes you wonder, looking ahead, if ZAI is banking on native speed and tight AI integration. Does that signal where things are going? Will future editor battles be won by pure integrated performance rather than, endless customization options like VS Code offers?
Interesting thought. Will raw speed beat ultimate flexibility in the long run?
Something for you to think about as you're picking your tools for what comes next.